Jive Talking, understanding a unique English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, Jive Talking. This phrase is not just about words but also about a slice of cultural history. We'll explore its origins, meanings, and how it's used in modern English. Let's get started. Jive talking refers to a kind of deceptive, insincere, or meaningless talk. Originating from the African American community in the early 20th century, it was closely associated with jazz musicians. The term, jive, itself was slang for jazz music and later came to describe a type of dance. Over time, jive talking evolved to mean talking in a way that is not to be taken seriously, often in a playful or teasing manner. The phrase gained widespread recognition in the 1970s, especially with the Bee Gees' hit song, Jive Talkin'. However, its roots go much deeper, linked to the jazz and swing music era. Jive talk was a creative and complex language among jazz musicians and enthusiasts, often used to create a sense of community and identity. Today, the phrase is used more broadly to describe any talk that is misleading or nonsensical. In contemporary usage, jive talking often carries a negative connotation. It implies that someone is not being truthful or is speaking in a way that's intended to deceive. It's important to understand the context in which it's used, as it can range from a light-hearted tease to a serious accusation of dishonesty. Many movies, songs, and books reference jive talking, often to evoke a sense of the 1970s or to highlight a character's insincerity. Recognizing this phrase can enrich your understanding of English language media, especially in works that delve into historical or cultural themes. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, jive talking. It's a great example of how language evolves and is influenced by culture and history. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also the stories behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.